If you're thinking about skipping your workout today and you just don't want to get out of bed, do this instead. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel, and I am so loving this workout. You need nothing for this workout. It is the most excuse-proof sequence you will ever find. You don't need shoes, you don't need equipment, you don't need weights, you need nothing but you saying yes. So this is a little snippet of a full-length workout that can only be found exclusively inside of my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. By now, you've probably heard me talking about it, and if you're not already a part of it, why not? We'll leave the information up here and also down below in the description box. We would love to welcome you inside of our Transformer team. So without further ado, let's get into this workout. Make sure you come back because I've got more for you at the end. Let's extend our legs here. Let's flex our feet. So we really want to have that energy through the legs here. Inhale, taking a deep breath. Contract in the abdominals. Let's pick up the pace just a little. You don't want to go too far back because you don't want your legs to start lifting up on you. Then roll forward here. Good, same idea. Or you can have bent legs just like we were doing and roll up. Let's just do 2 and 2. Exhale, contract in the abdominals. Pull in the belly. Feel that flattening. Shoulders are down the back. Roll forward here. Good. And then roll all the way up. Good. Switcheroo. Inhale, deep breath. Energy through those legs. Exhale, contract in the abdominals. Good. Scoop the navel into the spine. Roll forward. Diving forward here. And then rounding it up. Good. Nice and tall. We're going to do that one more time. Inhale, deep breath. Exhale, contracting in the abdominals. Good. Pull in the navel here into the spine. Roll forward here. Good. Beautiful. And then slowly roll up. So now we're going to make our way down to our elbows here. Don't think this is going to be easy and that we're sleeping on the job here, because we are not. Take one leg up into a tabletop. Bring the other leg to meet it. I want you to flex your feet here. Just one heel down and up and lower and up. Let's exhale, contract and up. Exhale, contract the navel and up. That's it. And pull that belly deep into the spine. We're going to keep going like this. Exhale and up. That's it. And exhale and up. You've got 4 more like this. And 3, good, belly deep and strong. 2, beautiful, last one. Now we're gonna just switch the pause in between, marching, and 2, good, that's it. 3 and 4, pull in the belly. 5, told you we were working. And do it again, and exhale, and 2, that's it. And 3 and 4, keep going here. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, good, excellent. So now I want you to move on here. You're going to extend those legs nice and long. You get a nice little lengthen feeling through those hip flexors. Remember, with the elbows, we're not down here. See what I'm doing? I'm kind of like really crunching up the neck and the shoulders. I'm lifting. I have action. I have activity, life through my arms here, okay? Take one leg in. You're going to exhale and lower and exhale and lower. That's it. And reach and lower. You've got it. And reach and good. Really pull in the abdominals here. Feel them spreading like peanut butter on your spine here. Exhale. Good. Last one. So you can continue doing it like that. If you want to make it a little bit more challenging, keep the legs up. Exhale. Switch and exhale. And 2. That's it. Keep going. And 3. Good. And 4. Navel deep into the spine here. This is 5. I really feel it in that middle section of my abs, which feels so good. 7. Keep going here. 8. Beautiful. Good. 2 more. 9. Woohoo. Last one. And excellent. Okay, good. Bring yourself up. Feel a little length through your spine. Are you still with me? You're still loving it? High five to those working out with me live. Very good. Let's round back once again. So I went back to my ballet roots, hence the do here today. And the leotard even. A leotard. All right, good. Do a little passe, so just bring the foot to the knee. Then see if you can extend it up. If you can't, and this is all you can do, that's fine, okay? It's not a competition here. Back to that passe, to the knee, and then bring it down. Other side. We go to the knee, we extend it up, back to the knee, lower it down. That's it. Knee and up, and knee and lower. Good. And knee and up. If you're feeling a little crusty today, feeling a little tight, this is such a good thing to do because it'll get you out of the crusties and you're moving your body here. Knee and up. Good and excellent. And knee and up. And knee. Last one here. it's knee, it's up, it's knee. Now go to this first side here, extend that leg up. Flex through the foot. Really think of energy shooting through that calf. And just little small circles here. 2, are you pulling in the abdominals? Of course you are. And 5, 6 small circles. You're not trying to make a big one. Reverse circle. You shouldn't feel any pain or pressure in the neck here because you're not crunching, okay? We're lifting. And 7, and good. Now point through the toe. We're still in parallel. Those of you that like to turn out like me, little circles here in parallel. 3, and 5, 7, abs in. Keep working them, reverse. Ooh, spread them like peanut butter on the spine. Really draw it in. And excellent. Okay, good. Let's go right into the other side. Bring it in, bring it up, flex it. Oh, my left calf is so much tighter than my right. Little circles. 2, 3, breathe. And 5, 7, reversing circle. Are you with me? 3, good. 5, 7, okay, good. Point through the foot. Really lengthen. I want to see beautiful pointed toes and circle. Small circles. 3, woo. Abs are in, tight. Draw it in. And reversing and circle. 2, that's it. And 3, I'm sweating already. 5, 6, and 7, and good. All right, excellent. Let's bring ourselves up once again. Are you guys feeling those abs? You should really be feeling them, and I'm loving that I'm feeling it right here, and you should be too, because we're really drawing in, okay? I told you that you were gonna love this, and the best part is there really is no excuse for you to not do this, and I promise you, you will never regret moving your body in a way that feels good, and that's one thing that you can absolutely always count on with me. Listen, I'm 48 years old, and I know that as we get older, sometimes we get these little aches and pains and cricks and creaks, and it can feel like, what am I supposed to do? Give up? Well, not with me. I want to invite you exclusively into my masterclass, Fit and Fabulous Over 40. This is for you if you want to feel your best, you want to feel your strongest, your slimmest, your most sculpted at any age. This is for you. So I will leave the information down below and also up here, and I will see you over there. But if you want to keep things going over here on YouTube, I get it. Hang out with me a little bit longer. Check out this, and I will see you over there.